Test your mind. Are you really paying attention? Let's do a quick test, a fun one. If you're wearing a digital wristwatch, you won't be participating, but feel free to relax and keep watching the video. However, if you're wearing an analog watch on your wrist, don't look at it now. Just picture in your mind what it looks like and wait for the questions. Assuming you've owned this watch for at least a year, you've likely looked at it about 36,500 times. That's about 100 glances per day. So let's see what your brain has actually noticed. What color is the second hand? Are the hours marked with numbers, dots, or Roman numerals? Are all 12-hour marks the same, or are 3, 6, 9, and 12 different? Most people can't answer all three correctly. Surprising? You've seen it tens of thousands of times. So where was your focus? Here's the point. Our mind doesn't always store what's most obvious. It stores what it decides is relevant. And too often, it misses even the basics. Now think about how often we trust that same mind when it tells us we're not ready, not good enough, or that won't work. Why do we let that unreliable voice stop us from pursuing what matters most? Two key truths emerge here. First, the conscious mind bases its judgments on past experiences, not on your true potential. And second, the mind is governed by inertia. Just like a ship continues to drift after turning off its engine, your thoughts try to stay where they've always been. New thinking feels uncomfortable, unfamiliar, like leaving a warm bed to step into the cold unknown. But growth requires that shift. Inertia only ends when a stronger force intervenes. Your will, your decision, your courage. So ask yourself honestly, what old beliefs are still holding me back? What story do I keep telling myself about who I am? Am I like the little elephant, tied down by a thin chain of past pain? Do I have a goal right in front of me, but fail to see it, because I keep believing the same old narrative? The answers might surprise you, but they'll also set you free.